So let's get into this week's buy. So if you already look at this on the 4 hour, you can just see that price action is pretty shit. It's not really trending, it's just consolidating. So honestly, in my opinion, there weren't any setups that played out for me or worked out for me this week in terms of my strategy / confluence. Maybe if you trade like trend lines or something, it might have worked out for you. But like what I see from right here is it's just a range of chop. Like me personally, I like to enter on like fair value gaps and draws and liquidities and stuff. So let's say I entered on this fair value gap right here, got some smart money concepts, and then wanted to target this level of sell side. It just doesn't hit. This whole range is just chopping. I'm guessing that you don't really want to trade unless it takes out these equal highs or it takes out these equal lows accompanied by this big fair value gap. Realistically, I don't think anybody should trade who trades smart money concept should be trading until it's broken out of this whole range, because this is just accumulation. It's not actually trending. But yeah, the one trade I did take this week, let me try find it. It was on the 22nd. It was on the 22nd of January. So I'm guessing like somewhere around here. Oh yeah, I remember it. So yeah, we had a bias. This is the one trade we took this week. This is our first losing week of the year, I think, because we just had a losing week because just bad market conditions, in my opinion. So yeah, we had a 1 hour fair value gap right here, and I was saying that we were bearish because we did break structure to the downside right here, but at the same time you could say we had bullish break structures to the upside right here. So it wasn't the most like high probability trade. And yeah, and then I said something like, after we held this 1 hour fair value gap right here, we took out this level of buy side liquidity, and then I scaled down, and as you can see right here, I think we do break structure again to the downside right here off this low. And then if we scale into the 15, it's also a 15-minute break to the downside, and we do hold this 15-minute fair value gap. I think I might have looked for an entry here. I can't remember if it was later or something, but yeah, I think it was here. So we had this 15-minute fair value gap. That was a fake out because it closed above it and then closed below it, as you can see right there. And then we had a sell-off to the downside, as well as another 5-minute break right here past that low. And I'm pretty sure I entered on this 5-minute fair value gap, targeting one of these lows, probably like this low. Stop loss probably at this high. And then obviously, as you can see, we got stopped out. Or I can't remember if it was a little bit later, like maybe it was on this fair value gap, somewhere around here. Stop us at this high. Nah, because surely I would have take profits here. Who cares? It's whatever. But yeah, unfortunately, we lost this trade this week. And yeah, me personally, I don't really like the market conditions. I think this week should be better. Actually, I don't even know, bro. We got a fuck ton of news. We'll have to see, but yeah. Let's get into my weekly bias and see what we want for the week. Okay. Realistically, I think EuroJPY should be bearish for the week because it's holding this weekly fair value gap. So I want to see it go lower. On the daily, we broke structure to the downside. We are holding this daily fair value gap though. So yeah. Bro, honestly, I don't want to trade, bro. Like this is not optimal for me, bro. Like this is just downwards chop. I don't really want to trade this. I don't really have any setups or biases for the week. At most, I would say there's liquidity here and liquidity up here, but then you also have a fair value gap here. So I'm saying you either want to come take out these highs. Right, if you take out these highs and make a high up here, then it's got a high chance of retracing into the 1 hour fair value gap. Let's just say you made that swing high up there. That lines up nicely with an optimal trading entry. So I want to see it go up, take out these levels of liquidity, and then go lower, and even tap into like a high time frame 50% equilibrium or something. We're at equilibrium. Optimal trading entry is up there. Maybe it'll tap into the red zone, but realistically I want to see it go lower, just because this trend right now is sort of bearish. But I'm definitely not risking like my normal positions, bro. Like I don't like the look of this. The high time frame is bullish. The small time frame is bearish right now. Probably, I would say price is looking to target this 4 hour fair value gap plus all the liquidity here. So yeah, I want to see it go up and then continue lower to the downside. So come up to these draws and then go lower. On GJ, as we said, we don't want to trade it until it's out of this shitty range. Obviously, we do have a big weekly fair value gap right here, so we probably would expect it to go a bit lower to retrace into that big fat weekly fair value gap. Daily, yeah, bro, look at this fucking range, man. In the last, how many days? Nearly like, wait, 1, 2, 3. For a whole week, this last week, bro. Look at the previous week. Look how strong the rally was. And this week is just absolute chop city. So we're not looking to trade it. But there's nothing I want to look for unless it takes out this level buy side or this level of sell side. Otherwise, I'm genuinely not interested. You could say that we have a 4 hour here, but like I don't want to long off that, bro. Like it just doesn't look appealing to me. On GU, yeah, same as the other pairs, but GU is even worse, man. This whole thing is just chop daily, bro. Yeah, man, I'm not trading, or I don't want to trade until it breaks out of these ranges. The 4 hour, yeah, nah, fuck that, bro. The 1 hour, bro. You know why? We're in quarter one, January to March. Quarter one is accumulation. We're gonna manipulate in later, so the first 3 months are gonna be shite, bro. I'm not surprised that it's moving like this, but like it does match up. Quarter one accumulation, bro. This whole range is just accumulation. Me personally, we expect price to manipulate in quarter two, so somewhere in April to June. So I'm actually bearish for the year, bro. I think it's going to take out this high and then go lower. Similar on GJ, actually. But there's like, maybe take out some of these highs, this high, and go lower. GU. We got, take out the previous yearly high up here and go lower. Like, bro, that's super high time frame. So yeah, realistically, I think GU could easily take out this high, manipulate that high, distribute to the downside. Right, we're a scalper, bro. We just gotta focus on the intraday time frames. But still, man, this ain't looking great for me. Recently, I haven't seen that many high probability trades. If that's just me, I don't know if that's just me. So let me know down in the comments if you guys have found that out as well. But yeah, recently I just haven't been trading as much. But yeah, that's my weekly bias. Pretty shitty weekly bias, to be fair. Like, bro, what the fuck were we looking for? if anybody has any like type of strategy or confluences that they're looking for in quarter one right now, or has like the fucking meta strategy, please let me know, because I don't know how the fuck, like how are you supposed to trade this, bro? I don't get it. But yeah, that is the end of the video from me today, guys. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.